Figuring out how to soothe a sick child can be a daunting task for parents. And a recent study shows that the instructions about when you can give a child medication causes a lot of confusion. On the Health Beat, Dr. Ramo clears things up.
About a year ago, the Food and Drug Administration came out with an advisory saying it was too risky for children under the age of 2 to be given over-the-counter cough and cold medicines. Now a study shows that many parents are confused about how to read drug labels and still think it's appropriate for young children to take these medicines. A study by the American Academy of Pediatrics looked at how well about 180 parents and caregivers followed instructions for children's cough and cold medicines. The medicines currently on the market are designed for children 4 and older. But the study found that the majority of parents misread labels and responded that infants younger than 2 could use the medications, even though the box instructions recommend asking your doctor before giving these drugs to a baby under 2 years of age. There is little data to show that these over-the-counter cold medications have any benefit, and even though you want to make your kids feel better, the data suggests that it doesn't even do that. So rather than trying to figure out these complicated food label warnings, it's better not to use them at all. For Health Beat, I'm Dr. Barry Ramo, KOAT Action 7 News, live this morning.